The word disinfect is one of the most important words in our vocabulary right now. New at 11, Laura DeMarco takes a look at the extra efforts that companies are taking to stop the spread of COVID-19 right now and what that effort may look like moving forward.
Cleanup crews like this one from Tri-State Restorations are still being called out for emergency services. Here in this case, it was water damage inside of a home. They need to suit up and take precautions in case there's any COVID exposure. These are procedures that are also being put into place to keep first responders operating and that companies will need to consider once they have some of their workforce begin to return. Tri-State Restorations volunteered their biohazard services this week to sanitize Montgomery County police cruisers.
We want to do this as an extra added measure to give them security and to feel safe.
In Prince George's County, Hyattsville City Police is partnering with the nonprofit Energetics Technology Center in a pilot program to develop guidance for other first responders. They set up a decontamination tent to clean police cruisers, equipment, and clothing. The officers are also being equipped with protection kits to prevent transmission of COVID-19. Meantime, across town in Falls Church, Virginia, strategic communications firm Pinkston is leading the charge in readying office space for when staff can return.
We've been looking for and we found some technologies that are self-disinfecting around the clock.
They hired one company called Healthe to install UV lighting that will clean the air and anyone or anything entering their space.
Their lights use a far UVC wavelength that is highly effective against viruses and bacteria, including coronavirus, but it doesn't harm humans.
They'll also have a system monitoring the air quality for viruses. And
our entire office is being coated with a titanium dioxide solution called Clean Coat, and it works with light and humidity in the air to attack microbes.
Pinkston believes they're the first in the world to combine all of these measures, and they hope that others follow. In total, the cost broke down to $3 a square foot.
About $50,000 to make sure that our employees are constantly in a safe workspace. For us, it's totally worth it.